Let me close the toolbar, unlock, and on this layer, I want to draw a line from 0. How long? Notice that we are working in inches. I want to go 6 inches in this direction. So there is my beautiful curve. I can go to wireframe and I want to move. Let me move this one just a little bit. Here is the move. Move what? Move this picture. Enter from where? Let me disable my snap from, let's say, this point to the origin of my line right there. And now that I have positioned it, I can delete those two. I don't need them. I would like to go to Transform, pull down menu, Scale 2D. What are we going to scale? The picture. Press Enter. From this endpoint to more or less here, that distance should be 6 inches. So now I can select all of them and move from the midpoint right here, the midpoint to 0. And we can lock now our picture. And we can go back to this layer, draw, and notice that we can use now the snap, the grid snap right there. This one is going to be 1. Repeat the command. This one is going to be 0.25. And we can select all of these, transform, mirror, the midpoint, and there you see how easy you could start tracing your picture with some very precise dimension.